In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pivot table in Hubspot using the custom report builder. This process might seem daunting at first, but we'll break it down step by step so that you can follow along with ease. Pivot tables are incredibly useful tools in data analysis, allowing you to summarize, analyze, and present data in a meaningful way. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, you'll notice the login option located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. After doing so, you will be prompted to sign in. If you have a Google account linked to HubSpot, you can use the Sign In with Google option for quick access. Simply select the account you want to log in with, and you'll be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. Next, we need to navigate to the reporting section. In your HubSpot dashboard, locate and click on the Reports option. This is your gateway to creating insightful reports using HubSpot's powerful tools. Once you are in the Reports section, look for the Create Report button and give it a click. This will enable us to start building our custom report. We're building a pivot table, so select the Custom Report option. At this point, you'll be asked to choose your data sources. Click on Choose My Own Data Sources, which allows you to select various data sets that you may need for your pivot table. It's crucial to pick the right data set for your analysis. Once you've chosen your desired data source, proceed by clicking the Next button. Now we get to the fun part, creating the pivot table. Under the Chart section, make sure to choose Pivot Table as the type of chart you want to create. This choice is essential because other chart types won't provide the same functionality as pivot tables do. On the left panel, you'll find your available data sources. Go ahead and add the necessary data to your pivot table. After adding your data source, it's time to organize it. Add rows to your pivot table, which will categorize your data and allow you to derive more meaningful insights. Once you're happy with your setup and the data looks good in its new layout, the final step is to save your work. Click on the Save Report option to ensure all your hard work is stored safely for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully created a pivot table in HubSpot using the custom report builder. Now you can analyze and present your data in a more effective and insightful way. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one.